Welcome to Springfield. We are delighted to have you join our community. Today, we're going to talk about how to call 911 in case of an emergency. In the United States, 911 is the emergency line for police, fire, and medical help. 911 should only be used for emergencies that involved physical injury, danger, or when someone likely needs to go to the hospital. It is not for general information or non-urgent medical needs. If you need non-emergency help or information, you can call 211 or a service like Creel Connect. These numbers can connect you with community resources or basic information. In some countries, emergency numbers might not always work, but in the United States, calling 911 will always connect you with a dispatcher. When you call, be ready to share these details in English if you can. 1. The location of your emergency. 2. The nature of the emergency, or what's happening. 3. Your name. And 4. Any injuries or immediate danger. If you do not speak English, try to say in English, "I speak Spanish," or "I speak Haitian Creole." The operator will then connect a third-party translator line to assist you. This way, help can get to you as soon as possible. Remember, 911 is for emergencies only. For non-emergency information, call 211 or Creel Connect. Keep your household informed, make sure everyone knows when and how to call 911, and stay safe in Springfield. Thank you for watching.